Did you know Japan's silent stones produce eerie, ghostly sounds? Located in Aokigahara Forest, these stones defy our understanding. The stones emit sounds resembling whispers and faint music. Researchers have been baffled by this phenomenon for decades. The phenomenon is most noticeable during quiet, windless nights. Some claim the sounds are an echo from ancient spirits. However, scientists attribute it to natural acoustic properties. Porous nature of stones may amplify faint environmental noises. Temperature changes cause stones to expand and contract, creating sounds. Local legends add a mystical aura to these scientific explanations. Visitors report feeling a surreal presence when near these stones. Documentaries and films have tried to capture the stone's sounds. Sound recordings reveal eerie, almost unearthly tones. Despite explanations, the stone sounds remain a local enigma. Locals hold annual rituals to honor the stone's spiritual significance. Tourists flock to experience these haunting sounds firsthand. Will science fully explain this phenomenon or remain a mystery? Next time you're in Japan, listen closely to the silent stones.